Hello. In this series we're looking at tips for building models designed by Newman Miniatures.
Now Stephenson's model kit you can see here requires runners, slide bars adding to the cylinders. Now if I hold this you can see that there are pre-drilled holes in the cylinder and in the main support for it, so this is a very simple job, and all you need are a couple of pieces of wire, 0.5 millimeter thickness, arranged like so. These can then be fitted in. These are in fact only clipped in without glue to create what you see here. It's very simple. Once you've fitted those, you need to make a coupling rod, and this sort of shape is the easiest way of doing it. As you see, you have the loop where the pin goes in and it slots up and between into this T shape. That can be slotted between the two slide bars and just goes straight in like so. And as you can see, it affords a very smooth ride.